Yeah, because this is the people who want me to go to prison.
We're gonna start working one leg.
This is why sometimes it's good for meal prep, but I don't meal prep. I don't have time for that. I ain't got time for that. Two crab the woman really give me for my $60. If me ever know. Alright, cuties, I think it's where we want it now. See that? No water. And then you gotta take this part off. Them crab you look old. Cuties, suppose me tell you something just wake up. Well, not just, I just took a fresh. I got up like after 10. What time is it? I say, me come in, tablet they are dead. So I came inside, put it on charge, and lie down on the bed a little bit. I ate it. Drop asleep. Drop asleep. You understand? Then we get up after 10. Say me I go eat my food. It is not there. And I don't want to talk about it. I don't want to talk about it. I just took a shower. I am getting ready right now. I get ready right now and I got a gym. I'm going to the gym because a sign. I know a sign that showed me. Yeah, because this is the people who want me to go to prison. Alright, then what I got my dose. Which one? So I'm gonna wear the Dolce & Gabbana color. It's not really my favorite. You guys see that? It's not really my favorite cologne, but it'll do for the gym. When it starts, so it starts like good. But yeah, it's late, and it's also my favorite time to go to the gym because I don't really too like the gym because I don't like too much people. So I'm gonna go now and hopefully get a good 1 hour in before I call me head. Yeah. Just wait, now watch my bed. Please excuse the bed. It's dirty right now. Well, not dirty, just pull up. What I need? I need socks and sneakers. Who say I have to work out in sneakers? I hate sneakers, you. So freaking uncomfortable. Doom, 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 doom. Can't work out in socks at home, no? Can we do that? Or that I got hurt my foot. I think that make me more stable. Work out in socks alone, but probably not safe, you know? Balance myself better in a socks alone. So the goal for today is walk half an hour upon the treadmill and then like do a little bit of exercise. What kind of exercise am I gonna do? Make up on YouTube. Or maybe we just walk the whole hour on the treadmill, you know? Maybe that work better. Cuties, I think I just found the secret of how to make your gym bag smell good. Listen, I put a Dove soap in my bag. This is so dark.
Today, Trump takes aim at banks.
I put a Dove soap in my bag. It's after 2, by the way. We've been in that bitch 2 hours. I walk for an hour and I exercise for an hour. Because we went in 11:40 something and it's 2:01 right now. So yeah, we put in good time tonight. Might as well, because I just done me and lie down and not do nothing. Just lie down on the bed, can't sleep. So, yeah, like me I say, I think Dove soap, if you're going to the gym, throw one Dove soap in your bag. I say the bag smell fresh. I say me I smell the bag as I'm walking at the locker room. I start smell the soap. And when I open my locker, not a freaking bag. Yo, oh my God. One Dove soap. One, just throw that in your bag. Fresh. No, I see why. When we used to get barrel at Jamaica, things they used to smell so nice. Smell like foreign. Cause the bag smell like foreign. The soap them in the bag used to make the barrel smell like foreign. Yeah, that is it. But anyway, I'm heading home. I'm not tired. I'm so happy I did this. I am so happy I did this. And I'm so excited I did it. I feel so much better. Yeah, I feel like I start my journey, you know. Even though I start with the diet, but right now I feel like the journey, it's official. It's on. Yes, we're losing some weight soon. All right, cuties, good night. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Good. Ooh. It is hot. So cuties, I think it's still early. I think maybe I could still get my hair done. I think I could still go wash this head because it smells so bad. I may even have to just do it myself for me head. Save me some money. But I can't silk press and I cannot wrap this here for save my life. But I could wash it. So I think I'm gonna go home and do that. No. It's too much work, man. Too much work. I'll grab one cabbage over here, so I want a cabbage for my dinner this evening. One cabbage and some type of protein, I don't know. But I got chicken in the fridge, so maybe I'm gonna do that. So I'm not gonna go do my hair. That's fine. No hair doing today. To the supermarket, grab a cabbage, got me out. Alright? Alright. Anyway, cuties, we are home. So I came home and I took a shower and I washed my hair, but I did it the lazy way. Wash it with the cane rod, them still in night. Because I can't manage to smell them no more. But time I catch up on me, so I'm gonna look for something to eat because it's now 6 o'clock. My eating window is 5 to 8. And it's now 6 o'clock, I'm gonna eat yet. And the food not ready yet, so this is why sometimes it's good for meal prep, but I don't meal prep. I don't have time for that. I got time for that. But anyway, it's hot out here. I'm gonna let me get a robe before YouTube block my video, and let me get the fan. I'll be back. Done a robe just in case YouTube decide to be extra. No, me I got worse hot. That's crazy. Anyway. So I have some chicken down here so I out. So I can show now. So we have some chicken at out. And get them lime here free. Drink with my apple cider vinegar. We have cabbage. We're gonna do like a little stir fry type thing, but I'm not gonna add the meat to it because I want the cabbage to be kind of hard. You know them way there? Yeah. So I'll show you guys as I go along. Well seasoned. Oh, getting fat, you know. We are ready to roll on the floor. We've been screaming and begging for more. When you fleet up on the left, fleet up on the right, we know if you fleet up. This now gonna work, yeah, so. I can't manage the rope there. Too hot. I'm about to burn up inside here. That cannot happen. So cuties, we are not gonna add any any powder seasoning or any salt to it until it's almost finished, because I don't want it spring water. And you know salt makes it until it spring a whole heap of water, right? So we're just gonna keep stirring until I feel like that's it. I remember I don't want it soft. Cut off. So nasty. Oh my god. Anyway, okay. Okay. We eat this, I swear to me. Oh, this is so bad. Okay. Jesus. Listen. Listen. There has to be a better way for flat tummy. That can't work. We can't manage anyway. Good night, people. Night, night. Hey, guys. Cuties, I'm sick. I'm sick, 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 sick. My body is in so much pain right now. Part of it is the flu, and the next part is the freaking gym. The whole of my leg, they're on fire. Oh my god. I may have a high fever. I just go shower again in some cold water. I don't know, out of the blue, me just catch a flu out of the blue. And I don't think it's out of the blue. Cause Kemar come over here sick, and then the next day me just sick. So yeah, it's been 2 days. I have not done anything. I'm gonna come out of the bed. I'm gonna start take be a pill. The buckle are full. I look at it now. Been feeding on it. Kemar carry some different pill come, but Jesus. I don't know. What is that? But anyway, I'm here. I'm chilling. So I just want to show you my phone, because this phone is overeating. I don't know why. It just like no, it is so hot. I can't even reply to my comment them. So then yes, I try. I can't hold it in my hand. Really, it just a overheat real bad. So you know when you have insurance by your phone, you call in and make them know what's up and them will send you a new phone. Well, refurbish new, I don't know. But it's a different phone. Yeah. So this one, the only thing I gotta upgrade for free. Yes, I did. Yo, when my cough made tear off. But I gotta upgrade for free because they never have no more of this. So that's good, right? They're like, we ran out. So we're gonna send you a better version. Oh my god, I'm opening the thing. I'm gonna show it. It's crazy. I'm gonna take out the camera just for showing the phone. That's a chat so. Anyway, this is it. Let me see if I can put you guys down some more. So this is it. This is how it came. Something like this. Yeah, I have AT&T. Trash. So, ooh. This one is burgundy. That was the worst unboxing ever. I swear to God. I swear to God. It come with, you know, the pin, USB card. Is this a chip? This can't be a chip. This a chip? Why would I get a chip? Are we supposed to use the same number? It's probably the same number, but I don't know. Why would they send me a chip? I'm gonna figure that out later because a different chip mean different money. So I don't know. But anyway, this is the phone. This is the one I had before. So this one is burgundy. Ooh, it's so nice. And it got way more space. I think this one have like 150 something. This got 220. So yeah, we got upgraded for free. But I have to send back this phone in the next 30 days. Something like that. Yeah, so it got the thing on it. Maybe I should leave that on it. Oh, too late now. You just sluck it off. But yeah, we got one on the back too. I'm gonna leave the one on the back. Protect the phone a little bit. Ooh, I'm so glad because the camera here broke. Right here, so it broke. So it make every day them kind of look funny. So I'm happy about that. Now I'm gonna transfer them, but not now. Not now at all. Can't bother. Later, cuties. I'll see you guys when I'm feeling better, because I just not have the strength right now for do nothing. No cooking, no vlogging, nothing. Alright, guys. Hopefully tomorrow I'm gonna feel better. Tomorrow, Friday. Hopefully I feel better tomorrow. We can go do something, because this vlog is just very boring. I have not been out. I have not been doing anything. Nothing at all. So let's figure something out for tomorrow, okay? Alright. Me blood clot. Oh my god, that's so damn. Oh my god, cuties! It is hot! Whew. Oh wow. No ma'am. This is not our weather. This is not. This heat is not for me. Oh, come AC roll up fast. So, my beautiful people, I am home. And my nephew just called me and tell me so them have crab right down there, so. So we are go down there. Let's see what's up with the crab, because if I ever like curry crab or any kind of steam, if I don't know Jamaican style crab, me gonna lick him in the back. Right in the back, me I lick him. For call me down there, so you know, restaurant style crab. Alright, let's go. Alright, down the street down here, so don't I workplace. Don't I workplace where I go. Right down my workplace. Ooh, shit, reverse. Anyway, I'm feeling a little better today. Me ear crab and instant. But I went to work this morning. I came home early because I'm sick and can't be too much around her when I'm sick, but I still have to prepare her a meal or whatsoever. So I went and took care of that. Don't you full of care, man? Look like a big thing I go on down here, man. Ooh, so, girl. Where you going? Why you indicator there? What the f? They've never park up here, so. Cute is well, let me get one park and come back.
No, it's a nice of a tree.
Oh, go on. Damn, cuties. Oh my god. This is actually crazy. Oh, we're going to the line here. Y'all see this? This is a lot. I want to know if you have no link since him work here. We should call him. Jesus Christ, look at me. Now do that son here. What's up, Wendy? Oh my god, I never know such a long line around here. Why cute is this? Look serious. The line don't turn the normal, my love. Me now stand up in the sun here, me call him. But him not answer his phone, because I never answer for his phone yet. Oh, the sun out on the line long. I can't stop that. But by the time I reach up, it's a crab no good have done. Which way are they? Around here? Where are they? But not the line along the road. I can't stop now this line here. Oh, sit. Come here. Say, look at nigga. Him slight, you see? Man, see me on the phone and talk to me. Ah! Lower yourself. It not scratch it. It not scratch it. Make my friend on the line here too much. It's too long. So what the number there? You have stopped in the lane, forget the number? What the rest you said to me? Then I'll tomorrow before we get. So can you get one number for me? With no number, because I never know how line run here, I think it, I never know so it's so global. No cute is the line extra long. So Tim, you have stopped in the line to forget one ticket? I know MJ never do it. Oh, them just do it around here. No, Tim, go up and say if you know nobody up there can give one number. Tell them a long time you're there. Crab. Those wild crab like how them do it at Jamaica. Eat around here though? No, curry crab, those wild crab. How much one? You know? Maybe about 4? You want crab? You get crab already? You don't want a crab? Oh, all four, yeah. Look at them have roast yam and them something there too. I'm telling you, so that's on your hand. We don't stay night. You don't need no tan, my love. Tomorrow my party in New York. Tim gonna see if he can get a ticket. So if he can get a ticket, then we'll get crab. But no, wait no line. I'm seriously can't do it. And if me don't wait in the line, then more and more people will come online and only get longer. So what's the point, right? So I'm gonna see if he can get one number. Crazy though. $25 for the smallest crab. $20 for one good size. $30. Ooh, who out of them right mind? I paid $30 for one crab. Tell them about them mother never walk up here, sir. MJ, you not selling liquor, I want anything. Yeah. Them not cool? What you have cool? No, sir.
Yeah?
Give me guineas.
Guinness?
Yeah.
I bring a sour beer from it, yeah?
Cool.
Yeah? I want a sour beer fridge. Yeah.
Oh, listen. Tell them if you just give $60 word. See what you can give for that. You can't see. You just hear to me and my camera coming in. Cuties, we can't see good. Ooh. Hands me further. I have now this a pants foot here. Oh God. Yeah. You too. Yeah. Kayanntoocute. Find it? That's me. Thank you.
I never ordered it. I never made order.
Let me see, Night. We got curry crab. Won't be that one there for me. Ooh. Y'all see the line, people? It's mad out here. We got breadfruit. We got roast yam and breadfruit over there. It's too hot. You guys do this every week?
No.
Just today?
Yeah, but we more by
Oh, okay. Okay.
Bridgeport.
Bridgeport? Okay. Are you guys coming back here anytime soon?
Probably I don't show that machine at the green tights.
Green tights over there? Alright. Tisha said she can't do it today, so she does some place. Yeah, or tonight. Mhm.
Curry crab ready? Yeah. We get 3. I want 3 curry crab carrot.
I want to make sure so then give me them big one for my $20. How much you pay for your them? So, I want to know how much the big one them team, because of them big one them I want. Can't let me for them there? It's too freaking light. A lot of team make sure me know want how much you want them before you pay for your cat.
60, I bought big crab. I forget big crab. I told you. You get them the
Ask a lady there in the oh, so the one day a turtle for the one day. A turtle fit him. A turtle for the big one. Miss, just quick question. Turtle for one of these?
Yeah.
30 for one?
So you're not get the
15, 20, and 30. Some bigger than some smaller.
See? So how much that? $60 that, right?
Yeah.
So are you in that?
This is mine?
Yeah.
Oh.
Less.
Ooh, yeah. Thank you so much. Ooh, thank you. See like you. Come on, hold on, let me try catch one little video or something.
One, right?
That's the only one.
That's all you forget? Have you ever this already? No, what? You have a man?
Next.
That may I try for
Give me this something there.
Come on, where you? Excitement.
You say, well, my respect. Yes, sir. What kind of fish? Two soap for the second lady. It's the right as well. Hello. It's the same thing, right? I have big man.
Let me call you back.
What you want? Mommy, right? Yeah. Separate that.
That lady have to get 3 curry crab. Here. You have no foot in there?
So guys, it had like fire out here. We can't manage. They have so much more stuff, but we can't manage to go around and video it at all.
You not be able? Oh yeah, show him. Oh yeah, she want to see it.
She in a rush.
No, but me tell them so I can show them because I didn't get that.
So cuties, we are here in the park. Why? Because we pull up. The plan was to eat the crab in the back of the yard, but I am so hot. When we pull up around the back, my landlord washing car, the whole time step kids them around there. The place literally full of people. Everybody run at the back, and no, me not depend on one day. My throat sounds so bad. So I decide to drive come at the park. So I do Kini Park. It's too hot to eat the crab outside. So we're gonna do something that's probably gonna be, I'm probably gonna regret it tomorrow, maybe even later. But I'm gonna eat the crab in the car under the AC because I can't manage. I'm not gonna enjoy the crab outside. I will not. It's too hot. I can't deal with the sweat run down everywhere, and that's not comfortable to me, man. I can't deal with that right now. Oh, I want me telling you, say go best with seafood. To me, Heineken. So I got two Heineken. Oh my god. I get two Heineken and I have ice and water. Oh, some water for ice. Oh, Jesus, nothing better than that. But yeah, let's talk about those $6 for one. $6 worth of crab dish I get. And a $30 for one big crab. $30, how much money in Jamaica? I send my cousin $30 I did a day. $30 I send him a $6, $6 I send him a life. $30, how much money? Make it work it out. Make it work it out fast, guys. That's crazy. Money grab. I don't know what I'm going to say, but MoneyGram not respond. What is going on? It's just saying that. Anyway, I don't know $30 how much, because MoneyGram act up. So whenever I figure it out, I put it on the screen. But for one crab, that's crazy. But to each his own, everybody do them business, everybody know what them do. $15 for the smallest crab. I want to see the small crab, them don't make no sense. They don't make no sense at all. So we're gonna put the towel here right here, so to kind of protect the car in our way, car when we are drive the scent can come out. But if it's splashing away, then that's gonna be a whole nother freaking story. I'm gonna really feel like telling right now. So we'll put this down here. On that right now. Anyway, let's get to the good part. Even though it was expensive, I am excited for it. I'm excited. This is what it looked like, and I think because of Tim, that's why my one them big so. Because the girl beside me was telling me that she paid 20 for hers, and them tiny like this. But she said maybe I better should wait on the big part. Oh, come on. Where is the crab smell? Where is the soup water smell? Where is that smell that I'm trying to get? You know that seas water? It's not happening. Oh, I'm sick. I'm sick. That's probably why. My nose is not good right now. It is. It looks like a 2 crab I guess. A 2 crab, the lady give me that. I really tried to laugh one of the crab them at. Hey! This a sign to post. You can't eat this. Me have to left it to my daughter. This is crazy. This is so crazy. The way all the bag look big, me think a 3 crab day night. A 2 crab the woman really give me for my $60. If me they ever know. If me they ever know. If me they ever know say at that one. Just seriously, tell her say me don't want it. But anyway, it done gone bad. Because But I already promised my daughter say I have crab fair. So you know I have to make sure say she get one. Anyway, this is what it's looking like. It's big, but $30 is crazy. $30 is freaking crazy. And this is what the next one look like. Oof. I can tell you already say I'm not gonna like it. Why? I don't smell it. I'm not smelling it. And I already baked because I couldn't give me. So let's try it, huh? We'll try on a little one then. Spicy. That's good. I'm not gonna lie, it is not bad. It is not bad though. It's good. No, I can't have some pop, Jesus. Must you that fly away? Oh my God. We should have bring a basin. I should remember to feed crab, you know. No, it's can't eat in here. Mr. Crab fly everywhere. This can't work. Not cheering no so. If I eat it out on the car, something. What is, we can't eat this in the car. This is a mistake. Broke wrong. Oh no. Oh, this is irritating now. Yeah. Alright, cuties, we're gonna eat one of the back then. Since my teeth now work with that, I'm gonna eat the back here. Oh. Yo, when we were younger, we used to love this so much. When we don't eat out everything with the inside I saw. Literally everything, shit and everything were in there. We used to knock it our forehead. Yo, tell me down in the comment section if y'all remember doing that. We used to knock it our forehead and say, come back, Makafa, come back. That's so crazy. And then I don't know how it happened, but you will look inside it and more stuff will actually be inside there. I don't know if we knock it down or what, but you just knock it by your forehead, knock it by your knee and say, come back, Makafat, come back. We say some chanting. I don't even remember how exactly the chanting goes. But yeah, let me know down in the comment, all Jamaicans, if y'all remember that, because I sure do. Or is just my family alone to do that? I don't know. And then you gotta take this part off. Them crabby look all bad. Look all and look sick. know why the meat's so soft. I don't like this. After you're done, take off this. This is the best part of it. Right here. You break this in two. Oh. And this is what you have. And I'm supposed to eat this, but my teeth not allowing me to do that, I swear. I see me totally forget say braces is in my mouth now. I can't to eat stuff like this anymore. But I figure out a way now. The carrot will stink, trust me. Man, how much fun can in Jamaica now? People who are there Jamaica watching the vlog, let me know how much me then get the amount of crab here for at Jamaica. You know, any one of them popular places that will sell crab, like don't listen to way the lady would then catch her with the what's she name? I don't remember what's she name, but Eros Circle, Eros Park, what her name? We sell crab now. Whatever they want to call. But there are like few spots at Jamaica will sell crab. But that's not by name. Eros Circle, I think. I think the most famous one at Kingston at Eros Circle. I'm not sure. Don't come for me. But if it's not correct, me in the comment and let me know how much money me would then get that 2 crab here when me just get test for. I'm sure I probably never $2,000. Probably never $2,000. This is so difficult to eat. But so satisfying. Oh God. So I feel like I will cost I eat the crab the whole journey. Ooh, no, let me not drink something. I have to be disciplined on this diet. No alcohol until the weekend. Well, if without alcohol, not me. I not deprive myself of nothing at all on my diet. Let me make you know that. On my diet, I eat whatever I want to eat. It's just that I eat it in a specific window. Like for instance, I fast for 20 hours a day. I eat for 4 hours. In that 4 hours, I can eat whatever I want. As long as it not go over my calories deficit. That's it? Yeah. And that's looking like 2,000 something a day. Oh, excuse me. I don't quite remember me telling about it one next time. Me explain it to you one next time. But I'm intermittent fasting. It's just 5:53. My eating window start 5 o'clock and it end 8 o'clock. After I eat, I can't eat nothing again until I fast the whole day and go back again. To 5 o'clock again, I start eat again. So in that eating window, I can't eat whatever I want. I am choosing not to eat burger and KFC and all that extra shit. I didn't really eat it in the first place. But because I want to lose the weight fast, I'm trying to eat clean. But at the same time, I'm not deprive myself. I know I'm not doing it, you know? I'm still enjoying life. Crazy. I'm not OD on a diet. No. For a reason. Oh, I'm getting so fed up of that crab here. Not real life. I feel like I'm always $60 because I not enjoy eating it because of the braces them. I not enjoy it at all. It not work out for me. This is not how I remember eating freaking crab. If I broke one of them bun them have to pay for it. I don't know heck. Blood clot. Oh my God, no sir, I'm done. So you can enjoy this. I'm done, that's it for me. Such a shame, I'm not get to enjoy it, but oh, Tisha will definitely enjoy it. And that's a plus, okay? Hello? But the park. Where you there?
What part?
We're at Kini Park, yes, so.
Oh.
The one close to the
house.
Alright.
Oh, so you went to the park, the crab. Oh.
Yeah, cause we never want it in the house and the run at the back of the yard full of them people there. But when I open the bag to share, the people them give me 2 crab for me $60. 2 crab in there? I couldn't believe.
Got these?
Yeah, them big. They are big. Anyway, cuties. Me I go home go give my daughter them crab before she ever fits. But in a real life, wanna make me know down in the comment section, okay? Wanna think about them prices here, cause these prices are ridiculous. That's crazy. I understand, say it's a little tradition thing. And anytime thing get tradition or foreign, anytime things get traditional or foreign, them tend to hike the prices up. I don't know why. I have no idea why they do that. If them sell some chicken back over here, them sell it expensive. Why? Because it's a Jamaican thing. It's crazy. Some chicken food. Why? Because it's a Jamaican thing. Yeah, so they make me know. We need the Jamaicans to make me know how much for 2 crab at Jamaica. Because this don't make sense to me. But it gone and done. And it don't taste bad in real life. It actually tastes good. It actually tastes good, which is good. So I'm going to make Tisha enjoy it. Because I couldn't. Alright, me sooner or later. Catch a foot in the hair.
You ran a promotion, trying to price with men unlimited.
What kind of something that we see I post for your blog? I want to record this your blog. He literally just posted girl. Who's that?
You winding up yourself? Yeah, that's me. That's my body. Tell me say your mother not sexy. Okay. Now what you talking about then? But your grandmother called me and be like, hey, what you wearing? Would you like it? Yeah. You actually are eating it. But take it out waste it. Yeah, we hope to share and waste it. You don't like it? Take it off. Bust it off. Papa, what's up, girl? So you're gonna broke off it. So good with put it. Come. All that music I'll get your girl copyright, so we can't stay out there with them. I'm gonna go edit. My vlog. Hey cuties, good morning. We were right. The car smelled like somebody pissing it. I swear to God. As we turn on the AC and I come in, I'm gonna smell nothing. I'm like, oh, thank God. But the minute we turn on the AC, smell like somebody pissing at the car in here. Rink. Crazy. But anyway, I look crazy. Don't mind no one. Look, I'm about to go get my hair done. Well, that's what I'm gonna do now. But I've thrown this cute little black wig that I got from Amazon. Yes, so cute and cheap. I think it was like I don't know, I'm gonna put the money somewhere too. And it already come pre-pluck, pre-style, pre-bleach, pre-baby hair, pre-everything. It's a cute little bubble. Y'all gonna see it. I put it on right now because we're going to New York. So I think I'm gonna end this vlog after I get my hair done. And then we're gonna start a new vlog. Cause ma'am, show y'all. I'll see you guys in a minute, okay? Cause me I use the phone. I think that's too cute. Show later. You see the fox and me used to only use my phone and vlog and it was okay with me. And now that me get so used to my camera, the phone just look weird. The phone just look weird, or maybe I just mean to know if I set up the phone properly for vlog with it. Because people say the phone actually vlog good. But I don't know if I set up the phone. I don't. Or I don't have enough space, something, I don't know. But anyway, cuties, I'll see you guys in a minute, alright? Hey cuties, I didn't even get to show y'all the finish here because I'm so strapped for time, and Tisha was getting so upset because she don't like the style where the ear come with. So she was like, and she booked and busy and we never have no appointment as usual. So she was getting real upset and we just couldn't bother. So this is what we came up with. We just pull out the side, the front, whatever, the cane already right here, so, and try to some little, because I gotta go. I'm telling you, I'm gonna New York. We're actually on our way right now. We just stop to get some food. We never get for bathe and change nor nothing because we are going to cook out. Anyway, y'all will see everything in the next vlog, alright? But my recommendation here is fabulous. The ear, nice quality here, and the style was actually nice. Just my face, it's just my face big, round, fat face, you know, and every style fit it. So when everything got back like that, it just wasn't giving. It never do nothing for my looks, for my shape of my face, if you get what I mean. So she never liked that. And but everything else is perfect with the hair, trust me. You can pull it out and style it how you want to style it. Yeah, so thanks guys for watching. Please remember to like the video. I just come down from my flu. The throat is throating right now. It's croaking, okay? So like the video, subscribe if you're new. Turn on your, oh my god, I am so discombobulated. I'm all over the place. We have to rush and get ready. I had to do so much. Rush and pop my bag. I don't even know if I have everything right now. I just remember something I can't eyelash glue. So if I go stop somewhere and get that. I need to shape my face. I have to stop and get a razor to do that. Like, it's a lot. But like the video, guys. Please like the video, share the video, all those good things. And thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. It's gonna be fun. I promise you, the next vlog is gonna be so much fun, so much fun. All right, bye cuties. I love you guys so much. Toodaloo.